Hi friends, welcome back to another bedtime story. Today we will be reading a book called The Woman and the Tiny Bird. One cold winter's day, a little old woman went outside to get some wood for her fire. She saw a tiny bird by her door. "Oh, little bird," she said, "you are so cold. I will take you into my warm house." The woman put the tiny bird into a box by the fire and said, "You will be hungry. I will get you some food to eat." But the tiny bird did not eat the food. It lay down in the box. "Please don't die, little bird," said the woman. "You are so beautiful." The woman put a cloth over the box, and then she went to bed. In the morning, the woman looked in the box. She saw the tiny bird eating the food. "Oh, good," said the woman. "You are better today." The woman went outside with the tiny bird. "It's a warm day today," she said. "Now you can fly away. Off you go, little bird." But the tiny bird did not fly away. It flew up into a tree by the door and sang in the morning sun. And from that day on, the tiny bird sang and sang to the little old woman. Friends, hope you all enjoyed the story of The Woman and the Tiny Bird. We will come back with another bedtime story. Till then, good night and sweet dreams to you all.